Copay? On my car repairs? But I have insurance. Yes, however, your car repairs are covered only to the extent of the policy that you purchased. Key wording is the policy that you purchased. With the competitive market of car insurance, the drive for cheaper premiums has had some negative effects, specifically in policies that fall short of what your shop may feel is a safe and proper repair. In determining the cost of car repair, there are three driving factors: cost of parts, repair procedures, and labor charges. Due to increasing technology, part costs can indeed be significant, and many policies will have a limitation on the use of new factory parts and substitute generic or used parts in their place. Sometimes this is fine, often not. Your shop of choice is the expert on what it takes to perform a safe and proper repair. They may recommend an upgrade your policy does not allow. Procedures as recommended by the manufacturer should not be negotiable, yet these procedures can still fall in a gray area and require compromise and/or understanding of possible additional charges. Labor costs continue to rise with technology and a shortage of technicians. Compensation of these added costs often lag behind insurance allowances. You may be caught in this void and asked to financially participate. Be assured that it is in your best interest to employ properly trained technicians, assuring you a professional and safe repair. At the completion of repairs, you're encouraged to submit your paid copay receipt to your insurance company for reimbursement consideration.